Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Family Purchase Approval not sending. If you're trying to buy a game using Steam Family features and the purchase approval request is not sending or the family member is not receiving the approval notification, this is usually caused by notification settings, account permissions, or Steam synchronization issues. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get Steam purchase approvals working again. First, make sure both accounts are properly linked in Steam Family settings. Open Steam and click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click Family. Here, click Manage Family Library Sharing or Family Management depending on your Steam version. Check that both accounts are in the same Steam Family group and that purchase permissions are enabled for the correct members. Next, check Steam Notifications. Click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam, then select Preferences or Notifications depending on your version. Make sure notifications are enabled for friend activity, family requests, and Steam messages. If notifications are turned off, approval requests may be sent but never shown. Now, open Steam on the receiving account and look at the top right corner of the Steam window. Click the bell icon for notifications. This is where approval purchase requests usually appear. If nothing shows, refresh Steam by clicking Steam in the top left corner and selecting Go Offline, then go back online again. This forces Steam to resync pending requests. Another important fix is to restart both Steam clients. On both accounts, click Steam in the top left corner and choose Exit Steam. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Steam and sign back in. This refreshes account sessions and often restores missing approval prompts. You should also verify that Steam Guard is enabled. Click Steam in the top left corner, go to Security, then select Steam Guard. Make sure Steam Guard is active. Without Steam Guard, some Steam Family Purchase Approval features may not work correctly. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or strict firewall, temporarily disable them and try again. These network tools can block Steam's notification system and prevent approval requests from being delivered properly. Another thing to check is whether the family member is actually online. Approval requests may not appear immediately if the receiving account is offline or Steam is running in the background without syncing. Ask them to fully open Steam and check the notification bell in the top right corner. Finally, make sure Steam is updated to the latest version. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Check for Steam Client Updates. Install any updates, then restart your computer to ensure everything syncs properly. After trying these solutions, Steam Family Purchase Approval should start sending and appearing correctly, allowing you to approve or deny purchases without issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.